Yo, what's up, folks? It's me, your boy Tabo, once again. This is another tutorial on JavaScript for beginners. Okay, today I'm going to teach you about events. Basically, events are triggers for code at when something occurs. So if there are any changes, if there's a mouse click, this could cause a change. If there's a key that is being pressed, this could cause a change. If the window size is changing, this could cause a change. So this is what events are, and this is what they do. Basically, these are triggers for change to occur whenever a certain event occurs. So yes, once again, you know how I do. Just gonna jump into it. Not gonna waste any time. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make an example for you by creating a div. I'll create a div and then I will give it an ID of div. Okay, and then after that I'm gonna give it a style. I'll say div with a width of I'll give it 500 pixels, and then I'll give it a height also of 500 pixels. I will give it a background color I'll give it a background color of beige, and then I will what else? Yes, margin. Give it a margin of auto, and then display will be block. Okay, so this will be centered when I open a page. This should be right in the center. Okay, not in the center. Okay, my bad. Whoa, there it is. So what we're gonna do now is that in the script, so I will create a variable that will basically represent the div. We'll say document dot get element by ID. Okay, and the ID would be div because we just created it right now. Okay, and then after that, then I'm gonna create an event that's going to be triggered whenever something happens on this div, and this particular event will be on click, right? So I'll say on div.onClick equals to function e, and then I'll say e.target dot style dot background color equals yellow, right? So this is what this code is gonna do. Whenever you click on the div, then it's gonna turn the background color to yellow. So just gonna check it out, see if it's working. Basically what this E represents the target, basically the object on which this event is occurring. So this E represents basically the div. So this E.target event.target would be meaning the div, and then it will go into the style, and then it will go into the background color, and then it will make changes there. Okay, so let's check it out. Yes, okay, I clicked on it and it turned yellow. I can also log it and say, okay, div color changed, div color changed to yellow. Okay, so yeah, when I click it again, then this will fire. You can see here div color changed to yellow over here. How can I actually close this? Okay, there we go. Yes, div color changed to yellow. So now I'm gonna basically duplicate all of these, and then I'm gonna use different events. I'll say on mouse over say on mouse over, I would like this to turn orange. Okay, and then I will change this again, orange, and then whoa, what have I done? Oh my goodness, what am I doing? Yes, and then I will say on mouse out. On mouse out, I want it to turn back to beige, so we'll say back to beige. Alright, and then this is what's gonna happen. Let's check it out. Yes, the div color changed to orange, the div color changed to beige, and then I click and then it says div color changed to yellow. So you see every time I go in there, then it just keeps logging all this info. So yes, this is what events do. I mean, there are plenty of events. You could make changes when the window loads, when the window size changes. Basically, yes, there are all kinds of events that you could use. So yes, it's all up to your imagination what you could do with this stuff. So I say just jump in there, play around. You can go to w3schools.com and yes, you can check out a whole lot of events that you can play around with. I'm not going to cover them all. There's quite a lot, so this is just a few just to give you an idea of how that works. And yes, I hope my explanation was sufficient to make you understand how this actually works. Is that you basically, when you create the event on click, then you assign it to a function. So every time this occurs, then it calls this function. This is an anonymous function, but I could also do it in a different way. I could give this function a name and it would be assigned to it. So it doesn't matter anyway. There are different ways of doing it, but this is, yeah, I'm doing it using an anonymous function, but I could give this function also a name. So I'd say div.onClick is equals to function change color to yellow, and yes, it will still do the same thing. At the moment, it's just an anonymous function, but yeah, you get the idea. So that's what happens. Calls a function, and then e.target means yes, the div itself. So once the target has been clicked, then this will happen. It will go to styles, background, color, and then change it to yellow. Yes, simple. So play around with it. Yes, I hope that was clear enough. And yeah, have fun, play around, and till we see each other again in the next episode. Yeah, I say yeah, all the best. Have fun, play around, and yeah, much love to all of you, brothers and sisters. I'm out. If you thought this video was good and helpful, please press that like button. For any questions or input, just remember to leave a comment. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel and I'll keep more stuff coming your way.